how current is measured. So current is measured with a device called as ammeter. Ammeter as a circuit element looks like this. This is a symbol of ammeter. An ammeter is connected in series in the circuit. These are the three important things which you should know about ammeter and how current is measured. So just as an indicative diagram, if I show you, so let's say there's a circuit in which we have a resistor R and there's a battery, there is a switch, and there is an ammeter attached over here. So this is supplying V volt, this is a switch S. If this switch is closed, then ammeter will give you a certain reading and that will give you the current value. Okay, so one more important point, ammeter measures current of the whole circuit. It measures current of the whole circuit. Okay, so wherever you will apply ammeter in series, it will always give you the current which is the net supply for the whole circuit.